Frustrated by endless blue screens? Here's how to get your PC back in action. First, take a deep breath. This error is common, and you fix it. Start simple, restart your PC. Sometimes a fresh boot works wonders. If Windows won't start, try safe mode. Power on, and when you see the Windows logo, hold the power button to shut down. Do this 3 times. On the third, you'll reach the recovery screen. Choose Troubleshoot, then Startup Settings, then Safe Mode with Networking. Once you're in, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Let it finish. Then run sfc/scano. Restart after both are done. Still seeing the error? Update your drivers in Device Manager, especially graphics, storage, and network. Scan for malware, and if things broke after a recent update, try uninstalling it. Remember, you've got this. For tough cases, System Restore can rewind your PC to a happier time. Stay patient, and let's get you back to blue screen-free computing.